How many different ways can letters of the word beginning be arranged on themselves so each arrangement is unique? It's permutation, and we have repeated items. So it tells us the beginning. The total number of letters goes on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay. Then we count the number of B's. B as in Bill. So this would be 1 factorial, and that's my B's. E's, we have 1, so that's 1 factorial. G's, I have 2 of them, so that's 2 factorial. I's, I got 2 of them, so that's 2 factorial. N, I got 3 of them. Okay. Use the I's, N's are gone, G's are gone. Okay. Now the 1 factorial or trivial, we don't need those because 1 factorial is always 1. And this is where I'm putting into Excel. So I got 9 factorial on top divided by beginning parentheses on the bottom since I have more than a single factorial there. Then I got 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial. And the answer would be 15,120.